Oh, hi! I haven't seen you before. I'm planning my week and writing all the things I have to do in my agenda. I like following my daily routine, so I do a lot of different things a day without wasting my time. Do you have a daily routine? Do you use an agenda or a calendar maybe? Today we're going to see how do we plan a routine. Let's take a look at the screen. Well, as you can see, here I have a weekly planner. We have all the days of the week in here and some space to write what we are going to do. For example, for today, I have written wake up, brush teeth, read a book, have lunch. Let's have a look now to another chart that I have about grammar. Can you see it? So we use the present simple to write about our routines. Remember that the present simple needs an S in the third person singular. He, she, it listens to music. Do you see? Right. Now let's change to the weekly planner again. Talking about routines mean that some of the activities can be done more than one day. For example, I wake up at 8 o'clock every day, as you can see. To say how often you do something, you have to use the frequency adverbs. I'm going to show you a chart with the frequency adverbs. Here we go. In this chart, we can see the frequency of things that we do. Here you have all the frequency adverbs and when to use it. If you do something every day, you will use always. If it is something you do almost every day, you will use often. If it's something you do from time to time, you will use sometimes. And if it's something you don't do, you will use never. Let's go back to our weekly planner. Here we go. And take a look. As you can see, I always get up at 8 o'clock. I often go to work by train. I sometimes have a coffee with my friends and I never go to the swimming pool. Do you see? Fantastic! Now you can plan your day, your week and even your month. Well guys, I hope you had fun with my video lesson and I'll see you next week. Goodbye!